Guys, I purchased probably over 100 seeds from freeheirloomseeds.org, and we're going to do a massive haul. I've never purchased this many seeds. I created the list, and you have to go with ordering with them. It's alphabetical order. I'm going down the list, and at first I was like, oh, I'm probably not going to be able to, mind you, their list is very massive. I'm like, I'm not going to be able to, maybe 20 items. I ended up with 100, and honestly, actually was more than 100, but I was like, I can't do this. Like, I can't, like, I don't know. I'm not going back and forth with this list, because what was going to happen is a lot of the stuff was going to be out of stock. So I just wanted to place the order, and I think I maybe took 20 or 30. That's like crazy, right? But with seeds, a lot of times, I've had seeds for years, and a lot of times you are they still germinate after the year. Also, you have to like my friends and family, if they need any seeds, I have an abundance of seeds. I'm a very sharing person, so I don't mind. Like, someone's, hey, you have this, you have that, I don't mind. And it was nice to donate to an organization, which they're helping me out. It was so nice to help them out, and their seeds are heirloom. I also have root coverings or ground coverings that are supposed to help give nutrients to the soil. So I believe oats are one of them. This list is going to go fast. Acorn squash. I hope you guys are able to see the actual name of it. Black beauty zucchini. Sorry guys if you can't see the names. I'm trying to see if I have anything to verbena. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. Parsnip. I may have something that will make the background look a little darker. This, oh, I said parsnip, but this is parsnip. This may be a different variety. I thought that was gonna work. It don't look like it's working. Blue corn. I'm also gonna place everything that I ordered in the description. This is a black zucchini. Yarrow. Lovage. Please forgive me if I'm pronouncing the words wrong. SPELT. Marshmallow. Rice. Squash. Ballerina. Straw flour mix. I've started my tomato seeds and pepper seeds, and let's see, this is the Black Prince tomato, and I do apologize because these seeds are open if you're unable to see. Pineapple tomato, purple tomato, black tomato again, big rainbow tomato, orange cherry, sweet cherry tomato, And these are also onions. I did the onions as well. So this is a white onion. This is a loofah. I did the loofahs as well. Sorry, I have like a mix. This is a golden sweet pepper. We didn't even scratch the surface, guys. Still got a bunch. Jalapeno pepper. Who's keeping count? This is another onion. I definitely want to have enough onions if I can have them to last out through the winter time. This is a white sweet onion. I'm definitely going to start some later as the season starts. This is a Roman tomato, black trifle tomato, Japanese black trifle tomato, pink tomato. And a lot of these I only planted because I'm starting so early with these. I only planted like 2 seeds or 2 sets of seeds in each cell because it's still so early. Even though I do have a tent set up, it's still so early with this. But I do want to have tomatoes. Like being in zone 6B and then seeing people with harvests, like I want to enjoy that too. This is, I'm not going to mispronounce the name, but that's another tomato variety. New York early onion. Another onion, Walla Walla. Walla Walla Walla. Shallot. I've never grown shallots before. I'm excited though. I planted some leeks. We'll see how they go. And this is eggplant. This is another eggplant. I know you guys are like, what in the heck? You're in zone 6B. Why are you starting so early? I'm going to be busy like moving these things to bigger pots, but it seems like once it starts getting warm out, I just forget about it. Or I'm like not watering the seeds. So this will be interesting to see how things really progress. This will be really interesting to see. This is like, usually I have the cells 100. I'm sorry, I'm like trying to organize these back. I have the Vigo Garden seed starting trays, and that's over 100 cells. So I have about 200 cells started with that, and then I have like the little lighting system that I purchased. I'll link all that stuff below, but I'm just getting started now. We'll see. I kind of have things in sections. I don't know what's going on, guys. I don't know. I have things in sections. This is Pennyroyal. This is Moringa. Royal Burgundy Bush Bean. Sorry if it's not focused. And this is a snow pea. A long bean. Sugar snap pea. Garbanzo bean. Connecticut field pumpkin. Cucumber. This is a Mexican cucumber. This is a pole bean. Guys, we're almost there. Don't give up now. Don't give up now. You've been with me all this time. Don't give up now. To try to speed up the process, I just mixed up whatever organization I had. This is a sunflower. I don't even know what this setup was. This is a melon. Buckwheat common. Beach. Pronouncing that right? Someone correct me in the comment section. Appreciate it. This is a mullen common. Golden midget melon. Baby's breath. This is a Chinese cabbage. Spiked gay feather. Watermelon radish. Sugar baby. We're almost done, guys. Stay with me. Stay focused. Tamale. I feel like I pronounced that. Please correct me in the comment section. Tuma verde. Is that how you pronounce it? Cosmic purple carrot. Ox heart carrot. I can't even make this out, guys. And then I don't have my glasses on to make matters worse. Lemon balm. Peppermint. Fennel. Oregano, Italian. Sugar and snap pea. Lettuce. This is another lettuce. Black Eagle spring wheat. Sunflower. Swiss chard, and this is the pink lipstick, I believe. This is a sunflower, and this is okra. That is it, guys. We made it. We made it through. We did it. I lost count. If you were counting, please let me know in the comment section. I am going, well, the description, I'll leave the code to all of the items that I ordered from the Heirloom Seed Company. Definitely make sure that you support them and order your seeds from them. You can donate, you can order. They're such a great organization. Guys, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I will chat with you in the next one.